Hello there, good afternoon. The dry weather is set to continue for many of us for the next 4 or 5 days. In fact, before the high pressure moves away, many of us might have as much as 9 days of mostly dry weather, and that's particularly important for those areas that have been badly affected by flooding. That means that plenty of sunshine by day. We have got a chilly wind though today, really notable chilly wind around this area of high pressure. So the high pressure is keeping our weather fronts at bay this weekend. But as I say, the origin of the air is here across Arctic Scandinavia. It's coming right the way around and across our shores. So it's limiting our temperatures to just 8 or so degrees on the North Sea coast, which at this time of year, the North Sea is at its coldest. So in the sunshine, away from the breeze, I'm sure feeling pleasant enough. But we have got more cloud northeast Scotland today. We have got more cloud for Northern Ireland. It's still largely dry, as I say, for most of us. The notable feature is that wind, a drying wind, limiting our temperatures to a little bit below where they should be at this time of year. Cardigan Bay, the Cumbrian coastline, realising up to 12, possibly 13 degrees Celsius. Now, overnight, under the starry skies, temperatures will plummet again. We're likely to pick up a little bit more low cloud for the east coast of Scotland and northeast England, and we've got that weak weather front close to the west, so limiting our frosts across the western and northern Isles. But for most, look at this, again, a really cold night, despite now the fact that the nights are getting a little less long than the days. But that high pressure is still with us for tomorrow, so still keeping our weather fronts at bay. We do have that very weak weather front with us through the day across the far northwest of Scotland, so more cloud here north of the Great Glen, possibly a spot of drizzle for the west and then later Northern Isles, but should, as the wind switches to the south, start to push cloud away from Northern Ireland, so more sunshine than today, and actually with slightly less winds than today, I think it won't feel as chilly. It'll feel a little bit more pleasant in that March sunshine. The March sunshine, of course, getting stronger now. But again, Monday starts frosty, so it's like 2 seasons in one day. Touch of winter in the morning, and then it feels like spring in the afternoon with that sunshine. Light winds again on Monday, more from the south, but this is the change that we're going to start to see taking place for Scotland. For the Highlands and the Islands, we could see about 100 millimetres of rain falling over the course of Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday as that weather front makes its way a little bit further southwards into parts of central Scotland as well. But for most parts, as you can see further south, it is 4 or 5 extra days of dry weather.